Okay. So the next word starts with qaf, ta, and ain. Okay. This means to cut. To cut. Okay. And again, yaf'aluna, they do. Yaqtauna, they cut. Okay, so just use that yaf'aluna word in the table. Yaf'aluna, they do. So instead of fa, an, and lam, just put these three letters. It will become yaqtauna. Yaqtauna means they cut. So it is and they cut or they sever. Okay. Ma means what? Ma means that which or what. Okay. So this means that which. That means ma. Okay. Then the next word is alif, mim, and ra means to command. Amara means to command someone. Okay. Alif, mim, and ra means to order something or to command something. And the word, if I put three letters and fatha on each of those, fa'ala, in the grammar it means he did. Past tense in third person, fa'ala. Fa'ala means third person, past tense, he did. Okay. If I apply the rule here, this will become Mara. He commanded. Third person and past tense. He ordered. He commanded. Okay. The word after that is Allah. So you don't have to use he. You can say Amar Allah. Allah commanded. They cut what? That which Allah commanded. Okay?
Also, we have to elongate ma.
Yeah.
But
because this alif has a hamza on it, so the alif before that, which belongs to ma, has to be elongated with a mat. So you have to make ma longer.
You said 6 times or 2 times?
6 times. 4 to actually it's a 4 to 6. 4 to 6. Okay. So ma by itself doesn't have any mud on it, but this alif will have effect. This hamza of amara will have an effect on that. Okay. So, bihi means that, of that, or it. Okay. Ain yusala. Waw, swad, and lam. This means to join. To join. To join.
मिलना मिलना जोड़ना
Wasal means to join. In poetry it is used the other opposite way. Wasala means to join. Okay.
वस्ल कहते
Okay. So yusala. Okay. So if I use the word yusala. This means it is joined. It is joined. Actually, before that, you just start with the right word and we'll just look at yaf'alu. He does, right? Yaf'alu, he does. Okay? So if I apply this, it will become this means he joins. Okay? Yaf'alu, he joins. But if I make a small change like that, yusalu, this becomes passive. This is active. What active means? He joins. Passive means he is joined. Like he kills, he is killed. Okay? So here, just this little change here will make it passive means he is joined, or he or it is joined. It is joined. Okay. And the word un means that. Okay. So when we put un before this, un changes a last letter fatha to a kasra, and meaning becomes it should be joined. Not it is joined, it should be joined. So it should be joined. So what this ayat is saying? It's saying these people, yaqta'una, they break. Ma amar Allah, what Allah has commanded. An yusala, bihi an yusala, that it should be joined. Allah has commanded that the relationship between the family should be kept joined. Relationship between the family members should be kept together. People break that relationship. Yaqta'una, they cut that relationship. They cut that relationship. Okay? When the children are growing together in the same family, they are together. When they grow up, they have their own families, they go their own ways. They cut that relationship. Okay? That's what Allah is saying. وَيَقْتَعُونَ, and they sever, they cut. Ma amar Allahu, that which Allah has commanded, bihi an yusala, that it should be joined. Okay? That is what Allah is saying, those are the people who are fasiqeen. Okay? That's one thing. The other thing is that وَيُفْسِدُونَ فِي الْأَرْضِ. Okay, let's look at those words. Okay. Fi, fa, sin and dal. Fasada means to corrupt. Fasada means to corrupt. Okay. This is Bab Fa'ala. In Bab Af'ala, the same word will become Afsada. Okay. This has a meaning to spread the corruption. This is a much bigger word. It means to spread corruption. corrupt means something, a person can be corrupted himself, or he can do something wrong to himself. But if he spreads the corruption in the society, that is a much bigger crime he is doing. So that is afsada. Fasada is simple, corrupting himself or doing some little damage. But afsada means he is spreading all over the place by his deeds and his actions. Okay? Yufsiduna means they spread corruption. Yufsiduna is the grammar of this word afsada. Present tense, third person. They spread corruption. And they spread corruption. Okay? And so they break the relationship in the family and they spread the corruption. Fil ardi, in the land or on the earth. Okay? On the earth. So Allah says, Ulaika humul khasirun. Ulaika means those people or such people. Okay? Such people. Hum means they, and the word is ha, seen and ra. Ha, seen and ra means to lose something, to be in loss. To be in loss. Khasara. And the noun will be, the doer will be khasirun. Khasirun, like sajidun, fa'ilun, is the fa'il, the doer. Means the one who loses, the loser. Okay? And its plural is khasirun. Or you can write down the way it is in the Quran, both are correct. Khasirun or khasirun this way. Plural.
नून पे ज़बान खासिरूना
Khasiruna. And al means the losers. Okay. Ulaika humul khasirun, Allah says such people are the losers. The means they are the losers.
In khasirun, the singular and khasirun.
Khasirun is one person, single
When you
person.
pronounce, both of them are the same, like fasirun, fasirun. And
No. Here you have to stretch with this wow. Khasirun. Here you say khasirun.
oh, that's the difference we can recognize.
Yeah, because of the wow,
Yeah.
you have to make it heavy on it. Khasirun. Here you say khasirun.
Or fasirun, fasirun.
Fasiqun, fasiqun. Mu'minun, mu'minun. Okay? So those are. Now, one thing here I want to point out about this word. Many of us are not very careful about this word. Huh?
Oh.
So this in so first alif here has a hamza on it with a dhamma. The waw after that has a little circle on it. When you have a little circle on a letter, you do not pronounce that letter. You do not pronounce that letter. So even though waw is written here, you don't pronounce waw. So all you have to pronounce this alif with a dhamma. Oo. Don't say oo like alif combining with the waw, that's wrong. Okay? Oo only. Like assume that this is not even there. Waw is not even there. Most people just try to make it like waw is there. Oo. Okay? In the Uthmani script, a circle is put. In the Indo-Pak script, there is nothing put on there. Okay? In the Quran. It doesn't mean that you have to pronounce this. Even though, there's nothing, no harkat on means do not pronounce it. Okay? So it is oo. Number 2, because of this hamza here, this alif has to have a mad on it. It is not simply la anymore. It is la ika. Okay. If this hamza was not there, then it will be lam alif la.